Hi there, my name is Amanda. I'm here to tell you about the Mindful Place to Stay. And this is a website about mindfulness and the upkeep of mental health. So I talk a little bit about mindfulness and what it is on this homepage. And I talk a little bit about the things that we'll be addressing and the resources that are available on my website. So breathing, art therapy, journaling, and my personal favorite inspirational quotes. Towards the bottom of this explanation, you can find a link to my Instagram, and you have a link to my Twitter feed. So, going on to the next page is the About Me page, and this is a page about myself and my personal struggle with mental health, and kind of giving a background on why I wanted to make this website and at least show that I have some sort of experience with this topic. And then down here you can find my Canva poster with my QR code that will link you to my Instagram if you take a photo with either your camera app or a Snapchat app. Next is my contact page. And this is a page where you're welcome to leave comments, any questions you have, and I have some references to other things that I used in my website. This page is the resources page, and so when you go to this resources page, I have some links to a page about breathing, a page about art, a page about a journal, and a page about quotes. And then down here I have an infographic that explains the population of adults that are diagnosed with mental health conditions. And I thought that was really helpful to me to see something like that, to see just how many people are dealing with the same things that you are. And so then you can see this drop-down menu or the same things as the links that are on the actual resource page. So we'll go to the first page, and that's breathing. And here in breathing, I'm going to post some meditations and some actual breathing exercises that you're welcome to practice. Here there will be a link to some coloring pages specifically designed for mindfulness. And then the journal, I've provided a free journaling site for you. And then I've provided 10 prompts to kind of get you started on your journaling journey, I guess you could say. And then the quotes page, which will have inspirational quotes. All of them will have my logo on them and my QR code. And they will all be printable so that you can hang them up in your desk or your office or wherever you want them to be. And that's my website. I hope you like it, and happy browsing.